In this video, we will learn about present continuous tense. When to use present continuous tense. Action happening now. We use it to talk about action that are happening now. Examples are I am eating lunch, she is writing a letter, they are playing soccer in the park, he is cooking dinner, we are watching a movie. Number two, describing temporary actions. It is used for actions that are temporary or not habitual. Examples, he is learning to play the guitar, she is trying a new recipe today, I am taking a yoga class this week, we are visiting our grandparents for the weekend. Number third, discussing future plans. We also use it to talk about future arrangement. Example, I am meeting my friend at 4 p.m. They are flying to Paris next week. She is attending a conference on Friday. He is going to the dentist in the afternoon. How to form a present continuous tense. Positive form. To make a positive sentence, start with the subject and add the appropriate form of to be, am, is, are, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Example, I am cooking dinner. She is playing tennis now. Negative form. For negative sentences, use not after the form to be, am not, is not, are not, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. She isn't sleeping, they aren't watching TV. Question form. To ask a question, begin with the appropriate form of to be, am, is, are, and add the subject and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Example, is she cooking? Are you studying for the test? Thank you for viewing. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.